YouTube, this video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Don't tell Deborah. This is going to be a sort of fall decoration Dollar Tree haul. I want to switch my background up just a little bit so it reflects more fall than it did this summer. I'm going to be changing my flowers and adding a few pumpkins and stuff. So of course I had to go to the Dollar Tree to get what I needed. I'm going to show you the couple of things first that are not fall decoration related. Just a couple of things that I said I was going to pick up. Alright, so I am back. The one thing that I said I was going to pick up in the last Dollar Tree haul that I did with my sister, I picked up today, and that is the oil and vinegar bottles, which are going into my kitchen. And I also picked up a picture frame, and I'm going to have to enlarge this picture. It's too small. I picked up just a generic picture frame because it kind of goes with the ones up there on the wall. And I want to put the picture of my grandmother up on the wall. Suggested by my sister. I'm going to have to enlarge just a little bit though, but I think she would be perfect somewhere up on the wall with the rest of them. So I got that. Everything else that I picked up is for fall decorations for my background here, and I wanted to make a bouquet to replace this one. This one is going to go into the crate until next summer. So I picked up a bunch of like stems to make a bouquet with. Let me drop that on the floor real quick. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think I got like 5 different stems. So I got the sunflowers in orange. I got sunflowers in yellow. I got mums in orange, mums in red, Gerber daisies in sort of an orange and yellow color. And then these are dahlias in like a burgundy color. So these are going to go sort of together like this, and they are going to go up there. And I picked up a vase to put them in, so I will show you that. And sorry, because I am going through my bags, I am sort of unpacking as I show you what I got. I picked up a vase, and I picked it up in a red, like a dark red color that I thought was really cute with some, I forgot what you call this, the string that's around it, and it has a little metal leaf on it. So these are just going to go sort of in here like this, and I'll arrange them a little bit cuter. And then they may have to come down, because I'm thinking if I put them up here, because this is a little higher, you won't see them. They may live somewhere right here. There is a spider. That's what happens when you're in the basement. So that is going to live there, and I'm going to rearrange it, and it'll just kind of sit here by my lamp. Yep, so that is sort of how this is going to look. I will sort of rearrange it so my flowers look a little cuter than this, but I love the color that this brings to my background. I am trying to think, because my flowers are going to come down from the shelf and I need something else to put up there. I have like those little plate holders that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I may just sort of put this up here on the shelf. This is just a sign that says welcome fall. As you can see, orange glitter. And it usually hangs, but I think I'm going to put it on the plate holder. Just a clear plate holder, and let it sit up here. sort of, and you can kind of see that in the background. We'll sit that right there. I bought 2 maple leaf garlands, and I made sure they were slightly different. I am thinking of where I am going to put them. I don't know if I'm going to sort of put them here or if I'm going to sort of drape some garland on my desk here so you can see it in the background. But I did pick up 2 of those. This one has like little berries and pumpkins and things on it. And I picked up some little clip-on maple leaves. Don't quite know what I'm going to do with these yet, but they were pretty, and I like the sort of dark brownish, burgundy-ish, and the orange colors. And the last things I picked up were 3 little pumpkins. I have this orangey goldish color one with a flower on the top of it. I have the straight orange one with the flower, and then I have the plain green one. And for some reason, I thought I did not have a little plate for my candle holder for my 3-wick candles. I do. This will definitely go somewhere else because I got candles all over the house. It can definitely be used somewhere else. But that is it, you all. The next video you all see, my background is going to be more fall. I'm already liking sort of the oranginess and the brown and the gold and stuff that I'm bringing into my background now. And hopefully you all will like the change. I am definitely trying to break it up from the summer, and then Dollar Tree is going to be definitely seeing me again when we change from fall to winter. So this is going to be probably in my background for all of September, because the day is September the 1st. September, October, November, and probably right after Thanksgiving. I'm probably going to be changing to some Christmas things in my background. So I'm going to be going back to Dollar Tree to pick some of those things up. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope you like my hat because it is going to be in another video. This is actually a free hat from Tarte with an order that I placed. This is their hashtag Kiss and Makeup campaign. I ordered some of their Kiss and Makeup things and they gave it to me for free. I thought it was cute, and my hair is a mess today, so I put it on. So I have one more video that I'm getting ready to do right now with us, a haul, and it is sort of a Walmart fall fashion haul that I'm getting ready to do. So I hope you all enjoy that. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have videos coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.